Jefferson County Court at Law Number 2 is back in session. The court is in session and call number 25 CCCR 1458. Case is filed in the state of Texas versus Thomas Troy Wayne Smith. Mr. Smith, is that your full name? Mr. Smith, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Smith, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Mr. Smith,
sir.
you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Smith?
Pretty good.
That's good. And Mr. Smith, you're representing your case by your attorney Charles Cole. Mr. Cole, how are you doing?
I'm great, Judge.
And Mr. Cole, do you waive a record in Mr. Smith's case?
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Smith, I have before me on my computer a document that is titled Information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges that you, Thomas Foy Wayne Smith, on or about April 29th of 2025, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class A misdemeanor offense of assault causing bodily injury to a family member. Mr. Smith, do you understand what you have been charged with?
Yes, sir.
To this charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty. No contest.
Now, are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges? That's what it means. Now, Mr. Smith, I also have before me a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishment, also labeled as State's Exhibit Number 1. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
On page 2 of the same document, there's a set of initials on a line next to a box that's checked no contingent, which means no contest. Did you place your initials on this document?
Yes, sir.
On page 3 of this same document, there's a signature above the line that is titled Defendant. Is this your signature?
Yes, sir.
And on the next document that's titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant? At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement? Do you understand that statement that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal?
Yes, sir.
The next box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes, sir.
I also have another document that is titled Discovery Certification. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
Is this your signature on the line that's titled
Yes.
Defendant? Now, Mr. Smith, before you sign and initial these documents, did your attorney go over these documents with you?
Yes, sir.
And did you understand everything that your attorney went over?
Yes, sir.
Is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Smith, are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
State Offer States Exhibit 1.
Any objections? No objections. State's Exhibit Number 1 will be admitted. And Mr. Cole, you've advised and counseled Mr. Smith. Is there any evidence that he's currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No,
And Mr. Smith, your attorney, Mr. Cole, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation? Are you satisfied with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Smith, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
Yes, Your Honor, we'd ask the court for 124 days county jail with credit for time served of 124 days and ask that the court costs in this matter be taxed and retired.
Okay, Mr. Smith, the state is offering that you serve 124 days in the Jefferson County Jail, but you will not have to serve any more time in the Jefferson County Jail because you've already served 124 days in Jefferson County Jail. Therefore, you'll be given credit for the time that you've already served. The court costs in this case will be taxed and retired. That simply means that the time that you have spent in jail has already paid off the court costs. Therefore, the court costs will be taxed and retired. Mr. Smith, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
And do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Yes, sir.
And do you accept the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Smith, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. Now, Mr. Smith, if you do not have anything else holding you in jail, you should be getting out of jail today. Now, Mr. Smith, I'm handing your attorney a document that is titled Model Written Ammunition or Ineligibility to Possess a Firearm Ammunition. And this document states that in accordance with the Texas Administrative Code, Section 176.1, the court hereby admonish you of the following. Number 1, you are by injury of order or judgment ineligible under Texas law to possess a firearm ammunition. Number 2, beginning now, if you possess a firearm ammunition, it could lead to charges against you. If you have questions about how long you will be ineligible to possess a firearm ammunition, you should consult an attorney. Number 3, under Texas Penal Code Section 46.013A, firearm means any device designed, made, or adapted to expel a projectile through a barrel, by using the energy generated by an explosion or burning substance or any device readily convertible to that use. B, firearm does not include a firearm that may have as an integral part a folding knife blade or other characteristics of weapons made illegal by Penal Code Chapter 46, and that is one, an antique or carry firearm manufactured before 1899, or two, a replica of an antique or carry firearm manufactured before 1899, but only if the replica does not use rimfire or centerfire ammunition. For more information about the laws that make you ineligible to possess a firearm ammunition, or for more information on how long you're ineligible to possess a firearm ammunition lasts, the court recommends you contact an attorney. For your reference, you may wish to consult the statutes listed below, which may or may not apply to your circumstances. Code of Criminal Procedure Article 17.292 Magistrate's Orders for Emergency Protection. Code of Criminal Procedure Article 27.14E1 Plea of guilty or no contingent in a misdemeanor case. Code of Criminal Procedure Article 42.0131 Notice for persons convicted of misdemeanors involving family violence. Penal Code Section 46.02 Unlawful carrying weapons. Penal Code Section 46.04 Unlawful possession of firearm. Penal Code Section 25.07 Violation of certain court orders or conditions of bond in a family violence, child abuse, neglect, sexual assault or abuse, indecent assault, stalking or trafficking case. Family Code Section 85.026 Warning on protective orders. And Mr. Smith, the written admonition that you have before you is for your records. Mr. Smith, you're going to stand next to the bailiff, follow her directions. Once you finish following her directions, you'll be free to follow the bailiff and you have a blessed day.
Yeah, before we close out, Mr. Smith asked me about a hardship. His mother's.
A hardship on what?
Well, he's going to TDC, and what he's trying to do is get peace closer to his.
Only firearm.
Yeah, but I don't, that's not, he's not going to TDC from this court.
No, sir.
He has to get with the judge in the court that he
And they can help.
I don't know, I'm not saying that, but I would think, I don't have jurisdiction over
Okay.
his TDC case.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so, okay,
All right, we'll figure it out.
all right. So this will conclude the calling of the court's docket on today's date, November 6, 2025, in County Court at Law Number 2, Jefferson County, Texas. Judge Terrence Holmes presiding. Everyone, please have a blessed day. Prosecutors, you excused, and Mr. Cole, you are also excused. Y'all have a blessed day.
I'll see y'all tomorrow. See you tomorrow. We got anything tomorrow, Judge?